When your shower head gets caked with limescale, not only does it look a bit gross, it can also affect the water pressure and harbour nasty bacteria. There are lots of limescale cleaning products on the market, but it's also possible to descale your shower head using cheap household items like vinegar, citric acid, bicarb, and even Coca-Cola. But which product is best for the job? According to the Which Science team, soaking the shower head in vinegar or applying a bicarb paste will be effective, but citric acid is the stronger acid, so will be better at attacking the limescale. It also won't leave an unpleasant smell like vinegar or a sticky residue like Coca-Cola. This is Household Hacks, tried and tested. So I've got my shower head. This is easy because the shower head actually detaches. So all I need to do is put it in a bowl. I've got a bowl of hot water which I filled up from the tap, and I've put about 2 spoonfuls of citric acid into the water, and now I'll just submerge the shower head in the solution and leave it to get to work. If your shower head doesn't detach, then you can just get it, put it into a bag of the citric acid solution, and then you need to secure it with a rubber band, and then it'll be secured, and leave it to get to work. So my shower head's been soaking for about an hour. You can see in the water it's filled with these limescale deposits. It's looking pretty nice and shiny now, to be honest, but I'll give it a quick wipe, and that comes up really nice. The only thing to remember is that when you do screw it back on, run some water through it before you get into the shower, just to be safe. Thanks for watching this household hack. Click the link on screen to sign up to our free weekly newsletter. It's packed with money-saving tips, product reviews, and cleaning tricks. Check out the video below for a nifty hack that will help you open a stubborn jar. And for more video content like this, subscribe to our channel.